First of all, good morning to everyone. I'm Aparna from BBAQ First Sem Batch 2. Today I am going to deal an important topic, that is advertisement, and important part of its syllabus. Thank you Anil sir to give me opportunity to present in front of you all. So first, what is advertisement? So advertisement is a paid form of presentation, non-formal presentation and promotion of the good and services by an identified sponsor. So it is a most famous tools that give us details about the products and services, its benefits, availability in the market. So I hope you all understand what is advertisement. It has mass reach. Advertisements has a great masses. It can come to people over large number of people at the same time. Second one, enhancing customer satisfaction and confidence. The advertisement usually कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ऐसा एडवर्टाइज होता है तो कोई मार्केट में वाइडली एडवर्टाइज होता है, जिसके कारण इट्स गिव्स इसका ऑथेंटिसिटी मेंटेन रहता है और प्रूफ रहता है. तो दैट प्रोडक्ट इज मोर प्रिफर्ड बाय द कस्टमर एंड it helps to get their trust about the product and services, and it leads to satisfaction for that particular product and services by the customer. And the third, expressiveness. Advertising become one of the most prominent medium of the communication because it attracts most of the peoples by their modern graphics, labels, and the diagrams, graphic labels management. Fourth one, the economics. Advertising has great margins because it covers a large number of people at the same time. So it is an economical process. Let's come on in demerits. Let's choose. As there is no direct communication between the buyer and the seller of the product, this is one-way communication. So there is no directly communication between the product and the seller. So it doesn't give the direct feedback, direct accurate what is the point of the view of the customer. The seller not able to understand what is the feedback they are to giving to the seller. Inflexibility. It is an inflexible process because if one time advertising is prepared, it is very difficult to change according to the prospective targeted peoples. Fourth one, low effectiveness. Advertisement has low effectiveness as in fact changing word advertisement. According to the time, if advertisement made one time, according to the time, dynamic changes, advertisement not able to, seller not able to change it. Because of the cost, it's have also a demerits of costs. So it's very difficult to make the advertisement to hear by the specific target people. So let comes on the conclusion. As we know that it is a paid form of non-personal communication, is one-way communication about the availability benefits of the product and the services. So it's all from my side. So thank you. So I've done the topic. So anyone has any queries, questions, so you can ask me.
Demerits of advertisement.
So demerits of the advertisement, it is less forceful, no direct contact between the buyer and the seller. So seller do not able to get direct feedback about the particular product and the services. It is one-way communication.
Why is the advertisement important?
So advertisement is important because in the modern टेक्निक्स ज़्यादा सब लोग राजा के घर में नहीं उतना टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस होता है, पर एडवर्टाइजमेंट वाइडली कवर्स मार्च रिच वाइडली कवर करता है टारगेटेड पीपल्स को एक टाइम पे, इसलिए.
वेट, वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम माय साइड अपर्णा, कि व्हाई हाउ वी कैन से दैट द एडवर्टीजमेंट इज वेरी डिफरेंट with respect to the other medium of the communication?
So as we know that advertising is a prominent medium of the communication. It uses latest graphics, labels that attract the consumer, that attract the जो भी labels उसका होता है वो consumer को attract करता है और it spread mass reach, जिसके कारण इसका trustworthy consumer का बढ़ता है, जिसका satisfaction ज़्यादा consumer उस पर target करते हैं उसका अट्रैक्शन से.
बट क्या ऐसा स्पेशल है एडवर्टीजमेंट में जो कि कंज्यूमर को ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट कर पाता है? व्हाट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ द इफेक्ट दैट इज बीन अंडर द एडवर्टीजमेंट?
सर बिकॉज एडवर्टाइजमेंट कंज्यूमर बोलता नहीं है कि हम एडवर्टाइज करो सेलर को, सेलर खुद जाता है अपना प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज के लिए एडवर्टाइज करने के लिए, सामने से उसको इंपॉर्टेंस देता है कंज्यूमर को। इसलिए विजुअल इम्पैक्ट टू द कंज्यूमर अबाउट द विजुअलिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट दैट पार्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज।
Okay, another question from my side कि being a marketing manager of the FMCG product, fast moving goods products, आप अगर उसकी मैनेजर हैं तो आप अपने अनुसार कौन सा मीडियम चूज करेंगी अगर आपको मौका मिले अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में लोगों को बताने के लिए?
So I'm going to prefer the advertisement process because it has mass reach. It can cover a lot of people, targeted people within a single time. It gives a visual presentation to the consumer, and because of the prominent medium, it attracts the consumer. This leads consumer prefer more products that are widely advertised. So it leads to full confidence and able to get satisfaction to the consumer.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.